5 ways to make money online. In today's digital age, making money online has become increasingly popular. The internet offers a vast array of opportunities for individuals to earn income from the comfort of their homes. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time venture, here are 5 proven ways to make money online. Introduction. The rise of the internet has revolutionized the way we live and work. It has opened up numerous avenues for individuals to earn money online. With dedication, perseverance, and the right strategies, anyone can tap into these opportunities and create a sustainable online income. In this article, we will explore 5 effective ways to make money online and provide you with insights on how to get started. Way 1: Freelancing. Freelancing is a popular choice for individuals who possess specific skills and want to work independently. As a freelancer, you can offer your services to clients from around the world. Whether you're a writer, designer, programmer, or marketer, platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer provide a marketplace to connect with potential clients. Building a strong portfolio and establishing a reputation is crucial to attract high-paying clients in the long run. Way 2: Starting an e-commerce business. Starting an e-commerce business has never been easier. With platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy, you can set up your online store within a few clicks. Identify a niche market source or create unique products and market them effectively to reach your target audience. E-commerce offers immense potential for growth, but it requires careful planning, customer research, and marketing strategies to stand out from the competition. Way 3: Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral. It's a performance-based model where you act as a middleman between the customer and the seller. To succeed in affiliate marketing, choose products or services aligned with your niche, build an engaged audience through content creation, and utilize various marketing channels such as social media, email marketing, and SEO. Way 4: Creating and selling online courses. If you have expertise in a particular field or skill, creating and selling online courses can be a lucrative way to make money online. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable allow you to create and sell your courses to a global audience. Research market demand, structure your course content effectively, and provide value through engaging lectures and practical exercises. Marketing your courses through social media, blogs, and collaborations with influencers can help boost your sales. Way 5: Blogging and monetization. Blogging has evolved from a hobby into a profitable online business. By creating valuable content and attracting a loyal audience, you can monetize your blog through various methods. These include display advertising, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products or services. Focus on a niche that aligns with your passion and expertise, consistently produce high-quality content, and engage with your readers to build a strong online community. Conclusion. The internet has opened up a world of possibilities for those seeking to make money online. From freelancing and e-commerce to affiliate marketing, online courses, and blogging, there are numerous avenues to explore.